Hey, all those horses and groomers, yay. Patrons, ease off of the keyboard. I don't know, Daddy Lang in studio. Kapsh TV, live.
Yeah. Turn up the sound and turn up the vibe. Yeah, me make you feel nice. Yeah, yes, you're gonna feel nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Turn up the sound and make me feel alright. In all the party, what a party tonight. Yeah, from you hear the vibes, yes, you hear the vibes. I don't know Kapsh and Daddy Lang the light.
A long time me living and me live out the west. Everything me do me traffic beat that best. I saw me sing stay because of the west are the best, yes. Long time me living and me live out the west, yes. Daddy Lang tell them I'm the best.
Turn up the sound, so me turn up the vibe. In all the party, yes, me feeling so nice. So me turn up the sound, yes, me turn up the vibes. Daddy Lang and Kapsh on the line.
Hey, long time me living and me live out the west. Place where me live, judge I know it are the best out the west.
Yeah, turn up the vibes and me feeling so nice. Pull up now the west and yes, me feeling so me pull up on the beach. Feeling so nice, I give them smile as me reach.
Nothing fears me. Like the south and the east west chase me. And at the time then me feel almighty. In the spirit of nature water. Me have it always a chance. I just the west.
Turn up the sound, yeah, me turn up the vibes. In the party, yes, me feeling alive, yeah. Turn up the sound, yes, me turn up the vibes. Pull up now the party, yes, oh, what a vibes.
This is one here, the West chapter. This is the rock of Jamaica. You know West is a place greater, but you don't know me can't hide from the Father. Alright, that's what he placed me for the order. So me have to just pick up the West of Jamaica. Me grill.
Oh God, oh yeah. How you feeling? Could you tell me how you feeling? In the party, yes, yes, it's just a real thing. Oh God.
Oh God, Jaja.